Al Badr catering at a house party, and this house was an enormous house. We had a customer who requested a party buffet in their house. They actually put a tent up in the garden. So here's a quick preview of all the starters, the main course, the food, the sides that we prepared for them. And we're going to go through as usual and give you a behind the scenes look, as well as Abdul Wahab will go through and talk about each of these dishes. So here we are in Solihull, an amazing location. The customer had set up the desserts and drinks as well in their own kitchen. Beautiful house, beautiful family. It was an amazing day there. We came in, and obviously it's always good to have a chat with the homeowner to figure out what is going to be going where, so we always find out the best options for our customers. And we had all our equipment brought in with us as well, just to make it a nice buffet with all the required foods and dishes. Let's have a look at what's on show for today.
Assalamu alaikum. Back here today in Solihull as a buffet style. So we got a tea and coffee and a brown sugar here as a choice. Desserts table all the way around. We come in for the starter. So today we got plenty of starter. We're starting from the fresh Lebanese bread, that's the homemade, and we got the special hummus, that's of course homemade hummus with the chickpeas, nice flour. So we have the hummus beetroot, look great with the color. So fattoush salad as usual. Fattoush, the most famous Lebanese salad, and mutabal, some people they call it baba kanoush. Mutabal batinjan aubergine, that's a really nice grilled aubergine. The olive, mixed olive, and we have a mixed pickle as well here with the slice of mint. We have a nice spicy potato, patata hara. Here you go, we got the chicken thigh today here, really nice marinade. Thai chicken, or the shawarma Arabic, salmon chicken, that's really nice. Look beautiful, amazing. The yellow rice with the saffron rice. And here you go, we got the lamb mandi, special lamb mandi. That's really something interesting. And we got the shish kebab as usual, the lamb and the chicken shish kebab, the kufta kebab lamb.
That's an overview of all the dishes, and obviously we're going to go through and show you this behind the scenes of how we put these together. So the chef is always paying attention to these little details, and he goes through each dish, creating them fresh on site. So if you have a party or an event, we actually make this during the process when we come in, so you've got a fresh item prepared and with the finishing. So this tent was set up with about 60 to 70 guests, so this would cover and provide an additional food for the guests and the family. And as we were preparing them, you'll see little sneak peeks throughout the day, and all the desserts were set up and the buffet section. So we normally make this in a nice shape, so your family or friends that are visiting can walk through, pick the dishes they want, and slowly fill their plates and come round and get that nice option. So we have the table set up in a way to make it nice and easy for you. All the food in these buffets have a little heater on the bottom of them, so it keeps them nice and hot, and the cool food is kept on one side. Lebanese bread is amazing as well, and all of these are prepared fresh in Al Badr. So we bring those along with us to give you the best option. And the fattoush salad, we can vary the toppings that you want. If you have specific needs, let us know what you would like. But you can see here as the day is progressing, these are all set up, and this amazing section was prepared by the family themselves as well. So they had some catering equipment there for the desserts, and the fattoush salad, baba ganesh, and the beetroot hummus was amazing as well. So it's always great when you see this. It's a shame you can't smell these, because when you're here you can smell how fresh everything smells. It smells good, and it gives you a nice option for vegetarian dishes, as well as these toppings on top and the shapes and the designs the chef makes each time. It's that attention to detail is very important. So remember, with these types of events, it's something that you can have for a smaller party. We wanted to share this today to show you we do thousands of guests where we have parties for thousands of people, but we also do these homely smaller events, so you don't have to worry about any of this. You'll see that the tent had a heater in there, so we actually keep in winter, if it gets a little bit cool, it kept the environment nice and warm. Chicken and shish, and obviously the lamb mandi, which is a favorite for Al Badr restaurant, and they always get this with the rice option, and the rice is always amazing as well. You get the nice amount of mix of flavor, freshness, and the shish kebabs go with that nicely, and then the shawarma wraps, which work very nicely as well. So these are all prepared in advance to keep you satisfied and give you a nice preparation for food. So with these thighs, this was something I saw today and it's very amazing. The thigh chicken was succulent, prepared nicely with fresh parsley on top, and throughout the day there was separate dishes being prepared for the hummus and the special flower design on top, which makes it look very pleasing and appetizing. So again, this was an event where we had 60 to 70 guests. It's a mixture of family from different age groups, and they found something interesting and pleasing for them all to eat. So if you have family, it's a nice option to have Al Badr do the catering for you, especially if you're thinking about a worry-free, hassle-free party. Alongside all of these dishes, we do have the fresh salad option as well, which will be the fattoush salad. So we prepare this especially with fresh salad, and then we add specific dishes to these. And if you have a specific dietary requirements, do let us know and we can prepare that for you. If you're not sure about your buffet party, if you've got an event coming up, if you've got a charity event you're preparing, make sure to get in touch with us, because we can offer loads of different options for you to keep your guests nice and happy with the types of food available, as well as having the fresh option of the salad here you'll see. So this one comes through very nicely, and it gives you some crispy bread. You've got salad, is like a nice side to all the main dish courses that we offer here, and it gets topped with the nice olive oil and then given that extra spruce just to give it that unique feel that you get at Al Badr. And if you're not sure, you can always pop into Al Badr on Ladypool Rd, the restaurant, and test each of these dishes before you make the jump and order these. The crispy bread is specifically made for this fattoush salad to give you that nice little kick. Throughout today's session, we actually took photos of each of the dishes as well. So at the end of this video, we'll give you a little slideshow, and we will be preparing a fresh menu for our website. So make sure to check that out, because you can see all of the new menu items coming through. And if you're thinking about making some food, you can actually pick out the dishes you want to make it easy for you. So let's have a quick swipe through all the dishes we prepared today, and these will all be making it onto our menu for the buffet section, as well as the nice setup here where we put displays, and we have your flowers as well to make it all nice and pleasing. So these are all the photos of today's buffet section, and giving you the amazing option. It was a great day today. Abdul Wahab and the team did a great job serving the guests. We set everything up, let them pick their own food, and then after a few hours we came and then took everything away as well. So it's a nice option and a great party. Everybody enjoyed themselves, and we got a lot of great feedback from all the food. They were very happy with how well it presented and looked. Chef did a great job, so thank you to all the team who prepared everything for us. And these are all the waiters and team that come together to combine to make this effort. See you on the next version of our episode.